Always going by the alias King of the Jungle, the lion has this famous reputation because of his brutal force, power, agility, and most definitely the #1 apex predator. Believe it or not, when the lion roars like this, it can be heard from about 8 kilometers away. Despite being the king of the jungle, he's the laziest of all big cats. The lion spends about 18 to 20 hours a day snoozing, while the lioness gets 15 to 18 hours shut-eye sleep. Why is this so? It's because the lioness spends most of the time hunting and taking care of the cubs, which is why she gets less sleep. Filling their bellies full with about 40 kilos of meat, it all starts with a big yawn like this, and within no time, they fall down to sleep. In the African savannah, during the days it's usually very hot, so most definitely you find big cats sleeping under trees or bushes to enjoy the cool shades. Today, we're focusing on the lion sleeping positions, and one position you always see these big cats lying down is on the side like this. Another one of their favorite position, you'll always see them lying on their back with legs pointing upwards and well spread. Position might be prone to find them is lying with their gut downwards, snoozing like this juvenile male. watching this video with this beautiful cat from Amboseli National Park. So guys, if you're new to this channel, please support me and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and share this video, and most definitely give me a comment below. Thank you, and see you on the next one.